С пятого? Да. Сейчас поднимет штанину.
Ой, нельзя так делать. Нельзя. 22-ю. Нельзя. Нельзя.
Сковородку.
Ой, не могу. Что делаешь? Нельзя. Нельзя. Нельзя.
Подняла.
Отдай.
Сейчас сковородку попрет.
Отдай. Нельзя так делать. Ты куда потащил? Отдай. Вот снять бы и отправить. Отдай. Отдай.
Let's face it. As long as you don't get in between her and the cubs, they're not going to attack a
Is this the
car.
same one we saw?
No.
No, it can't be. They're smaller cubs.
There's all the bears around here.
Yeah, you're lucky. Seems like it.
I think we're closer to this one. They are so
The mom bear is not that big.
I cannot believe we've seen this many bears.
I want one. They're like puppy size.
Oh, they are so. One of them is so small.
Yeah, I would give it a little bit, but
Oh, please come to my car.
You don't think you can go to the
I mean,
left
hypothetically,
around?
the rangers would tell you just to sit here all day, but you.
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as you're not disturbing them or scaring them.
You don't think you can go around it? To the left?
Just kidding. This mom bear looks way smaller than the other. He was and not one of the cubs was on the bear, but they're both.
No, they're both there.
They're both there.
Is there another bear? No.
It's just the three.
There's the three of them. I wonder if this song's coming in.
There he's going up the tree.
They are the smallest. I've never seen bear that well.
Yeah.
I do.
That snake's gonna run out.
Yep. He's almost there. Come on. Take him out. This is awesome.
Oh, it got him in the head. That's it. That's it. Ooh.
I'm sorry, man. I've never seen anything like this. Oh, look at his head. That's what you call a bloody snake. That little squirrel took it down. And there he is, just munching on him. She's like, where you going, man? You're not going nowhere.
Come on, get out of here. Let him go.
Come on, what are you doing? That's his trophy, man. He got stung a couple times. Okay. Good job, man. You fucking took it down. Oh yeah.
So generally when I come in here, I first greet Mom, see how she is, talk to her a bit. Oh, she talks back. I have a little bit of a moment with her. Oh. And then after I've actually made the introduction again on a daily basis, I get a bit closer to the cubs and start interacting with the cubs a bit too. You know, comes one little cub on his own accord. Here we go. Here's the little one. And their eyes have just started to open. Not many people get to see cubs this size. Never mind interact with them. It's fantastic. Hello people. Hello everyone on my channel. Maybe it's feeding time. And I don't want to overstay my welcome. So what I do is I come in, I interact, I bond a bit, bond with her. The other thing that I'll do is I'll bring her cubs to her, show her that I'm not really hurting them.
The way things basically work here is that when the lioness is pregnant, we've got to isolate her from the pride, like it would happen in the wild, and allow her to have her cubs in peace and quiet. If we don't, she'll have her cubs in the pride, and then the pride will have a field day playing with them roughly, or ripping them apart. They're now 5 weeks old. When they get to 8 weeks, they will be strong enough and robust enough to handle the big lions outside. I've got a picture of them, all sleeping. That over there was the proud father. In another 2 weeks, you'll all be reunited. Here's your cubs, my boy. And look here the way he reacts to his cubs. Somehow I think he knows that. He knows who that is.